To add shadow in text in Canva, let's come over to our text tab here and click on it. We want to add a text box. You can do that from adding a text box. I'm just going to click on heading here, and I'm going to spread it out to fill out my screen so you can see what is happening. And to add shadow to the text here, we're going to go over to effects, and you see all the effects that are here. So the one I like to use to give my text a shadow is the drop effect, and you can see the shadow begin to show faintly behind the text. And if we go down, you can choose what color your shadow will be in, but I like the color of the shadow I'm using to be the same color of the text. Let's click on the color again to click out, and you can start to make the offset how you want the shadow to be obvious. You can see it happening to the text here. You can use this plus sign to do it, or you can just type in the number you want to say. We want the offset to be 70. You can begin to see the shadow in the text. You can also see the direction of where you want your shadow to be positioned. And I like this one. And you can see the blur intensity, how much blur you want your shadow to. You can see I'm taking out the blur. If I'm reducing it, the blur is becoming more obvious. And you can see how much transparency you want to give to your shadow from here. You see it starts to dim, and from here it starts to lighten up. At any point you don't want the shadow again, you can just click on the text box again and come over to effects, and you will see remove effect.